Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-minute trades. I want to show you how everybody in the trade room, almost every single person, made money on our final event of the week. First things first, I want to show you the 10-minute trades version of this trade. You can see our orders showed up on the chart. It's WASDE quarterly grains combined together. The market shoots down, continues on and on and on and on. I made $375, but every single person that sent me a note in the trade room made money. AJ, $107 on one ZS contract. Alan, $375. Roz, $349. I have her screenshot on soybeans. Steve S, $300. Steve trades cash. BC, $137.50. One soybean contract. Johan, $400. Soybeans. Joe, $250. Doc, $350. Grayrock, 29 ticks and Sim. He's a new member. That could be you. And I'm not done. Adam. He also had a trade where he made money on it. $250 on two corns. And Alan did another $250 on Sim with corn. People made money on this trade. Most of them made real live cash money or money in their prop accounts. And the folks that aren't making real live cash prop money are new and they're learning how to do this. And it could be you. That's my whole point. Here's our holiday special. You could still take advantage of it. www.gotrade2024.com. For $24, you could take all of our everything that we sell, trade room software, DMMs, weekly schedule. www.gotrade2024.com. Why not learn how to do this? Become a member. Let me just show you a couple other quick things. Roz, $375, one of my favorite traders, had a profitable week this week. She's a new trader. $917 for Langford in his prop account. People are trading prop accounts. $330, another prop account for Langford, and $515 in another prop account for Langford and from Anguilla. Anguilla, send me a message if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Anguilla, Langford M, great trading. Help at 10minutetrades.com if you want to tell me how to pronounce it. But come on, folks, join up with us. It's time. www.gotrade2024.com. Take advantage of our $24 to learn how to do this. That's all I'm saying. You could see people are making money trading with us. You should do it too. Leigh Goldstein for 10-minute trades. I'll see you next week in the trade room. Take care, everyone.